Good morning, everyone. How are you? We're going to do a little bit of math today. I'm excited. I have something that I think is going to be challenging. So let's go ahead and look at this. All right. So I put on this side a bunch of subtraction problems. And I want you to look at all of them and see what you notice. You can pause this video and discuss with your parent or anyone really what you notice about all of these subtraction problems. I am going to point out that they are all subtraction. Okay, now that you've done that, let's look at all of these problems. And these ones are different because they're all addition. I'm going to point out that they are all adding. It's plus. That means you're going to put the numbers together. When you subtract, you're going to take away. And when you add, you're going to put together. But I'm going to zoom out a little bit. There's something about both of these that go together. And if you can see that, I want you to look at it for a minute and see if you see that. You can pause this and look at both sets. All right, so let's go ahead and solve these ones. If you have 10 and you take away 1, let's talk in terms of cookies because that's how we always think of it in class. 10 cookies and you eat 1. That means you take 1 away and you put it into your tummy. How many are left? You can use your fingers, you can use a number line, anything you want, or what you already know about 10. So if you have 10 of something and you take 1 away, you're going to have 9. Now I want to go over to this side. If you have 1 and you add 9 more, how many will that be? Or you can say 9 plus 1 more is what? That would be 10. 9 and 1 more. We're putting these two numbers together, okay, is 10. Now let's look at both of those. The first one was 10 take away 1 equals 9. And the other one was an addition. 1 plus 9 equals 10. But they all have the same 3 numbers. 10 and 1 and 9, 1, 9, and 10. Let's do the next row. If you have 10 cookies and you eat 2 of them this time, put up all 10 of your fingers, eat 2 of them, 2 of them go down, there's going to be 8. Okay? Now let's look at this addition problem that's next to it. 2 plus 8, well, if we have 8 and we add 2 more, 8, 9, 10. That is 10. All right. Do you notice anything that's happening right now? You can pause this and look at it. There's something going on that I want you to notice. 10, take away 3. If you have 10 cookies and you eat 3 of them, put up 10 fingers, take 3 and put them down. That's going to be 7. Now let's look at the one that goes with it. 3 plus 7 equals, are you starting to get the hang of this? 3 plus 7 is 10. All right, back to the subtraction. 10 take away 4 is, if you have 10 cookies and you eat 4 of them, put up 10 fingers, take away 4. You should have 6 left. Well, let's go over here. 4 plus 6, put them together, is, what do you think? 10. Okay. I'm seeing a pattern. I hope you are too. If you have 10 cookies and you eat 5 of them, you take away 5, you're going to have 5 left because you're taking away the whole hand and you have another hand left. And over here, if you have 5 plus 5, what is that? 10. Now I want you to look at both. Oops, sorry. And what do you notice about them? They all have the same 3 numbers. When you're subtracting the biggest number, the whole is first. When you're adding, the biggest number, or the whole, is last. When you subtract, you take numbers away from each other, and when you add, you put numbers together to make a bigger number. Okay?